Good afternoon. I'm part of the group two. My name is Yael de Jesus. Uh, well, I'm gonna start again. Good afternoon. I am part of the group two, and today I will be presenting the results of the quality assurance for the project for Meli Commerce. And well, my name is Yael de Jesus, and our primary objective was validate uh, the right the right reliability and security of critical banking operations, models, through black box testing techniques, and ensuring that financial transactions are robust and trustworthy. So the business overview to provide context, we developed a complete simulation of an e-commerce platform that process payments. We utilize modern architecture with Spring Boot the backend and React for on the front end. Our focus was not just on coding, but on validating the quality of two critical modules. That it was the payment card management, handling how users save or delete cards, and the payment processing flow itself. The problem context, the technical challenge was validating the system behavior from the user's perspective without relying on internal code knowledge. We employed equivalent class partitioning as primary technique. Uh, our, our hypothesis was that by logically grouping input data into a classes, we could drastically reduce the number of the required tests while until still guaranteeing complete coverage for both valid and invalid scenarios. Now we have the equivalent class. We design our test automatically for payment cards. We define 9 equivalent class covering all validation scenarios. For instance, a strict business rule that user cannot have more than than 3 cards associated with their account. For payment processing, we define 7 classes. They validate the entire flow, ensure critical checks like CBB validation, prevent unauthorized transactions. And well, here we have the video. Well, we have the system. Here you can see the system initiation. Here the user access their profile. And the system loads the existing cards, displaying data masking to protect sensitive information. Next, user the user browses the catalog of the products, and you can see the items, and you can add items to a mechanical keyboard or on the cards. Then we have the checkout. The system explicitly requires the CCB when you need to buy something. This is a critical security gate we implement to ensuring that only valid payments are processed. Now we have the presentation. Well, um, we execute and let me see where we execute 14 distinct test cases that these weren't uh, these weren't random checks. Each case had a specific purpose. We validate that the system prevents invalid data from entering our database, protecting against fraud and errors. We also ensure that business constraints such as rejecting expired cards and strictly forced. Now we have this is The architecture to guarantee stability, we implement a complete Java simulation with a strict environment isolation strategy. We utilize a staging environment with its own isolated database. This allows us to run our unit and integration test continuously in the pipeline without ever being compromising production data. Now we have the execution. Well, we have the execution. The results were excellent. We achieved a 100% success rate on our final test run. Especially during the process, our QA team identified and resolved two issues and numbers, the 6 and 7, and before they could reach production, this demonstrates that our comprehensive suite of over 48 unit tests and 20 integration tests is effective and maintain quality. Now we have the simulation, the complete API with the multi-environment testings, the production, the staging, have the unit test, the integration test. Now this is the equivalence class, and we have I mean, a line that you can see with the, I don't know, like the map with a Tomat test suite, the React front application. Then we have the REST API, Spring Boot development, and now we have this for the last part of this picture. We have the Superbase Postgres SQL database. We have the payment cards, the equivalence class, the payment processing also, and well, in conclusion, the Merely e-commerce project proves that a systematic uh, black-box testing strategy is vital. We have delivered a system where reliability is demonstrated by 100% pass rate, uh, where environment and isolation strategy allow for safe, rigorous testing, ensuring that the banking operations are secure and ready for the real world. And I think that's pretty much, well. This is a this is like a this is the complete system that also already show it, and you can filter the items also. You can select, can filter, and you can filter for the electronics, home, clothing, books, and whatever you want. You can see the profile. You can edit a card that you already have, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, have the checkout, the shipping information for the person who are who are do it the ship. We have the cars. You can select of whatever you want, and you can't uh, add any more. If you have a trip we already submit, and you need to place the order to the CCP to complete the order, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much.